President Uhuru Kenyatta ugite miango ya githomo guku bururi-ini no iguthi na mbere kuri arutwo aria mari thukuru-ini guku na waria mari micini magitanywo gucoka kirathi kia mbere-ini kia mwaka turorete.
With respect to the examination classes that have already resumed learning, I hereby order that they continue with their learning and examination preparations, but under heightened health safety measures. And with that, also order that all basic education classes resuming in-person learning in January of 2021.
Maya mokite oriri arutwo 52 arimu atandatu na aruti wira eri kuma thukuru wa mwana wa Kolanya mwena wa Teso ya Rugogo kaunti-ini ya Busia kurwara murimu wa COVID-19 na gucungira miango ya kumana kuingira thukuru-ini no rugamio tondu arutwo aria marwarite mathondekirwo ceceni ya keheri thukuru-ini uyu niguo gwithema na murimu uyu gutamba makiria.
Last week we had 2 students who tested positive, and when we were told about this, we escalated this to the county. And it necessitated to do some targeting testing. So a sample of 100 students, teachers, and members of the community, members of the school were tested, out of which 60 turned positive.
Murugamiriri wa githomo gicigo-ini kia mbunge gia Teso ya Rugogo augite ona thengia wa riboti ici miango ya githomo thukuru-ini uyu no iguthi na mbere amu ni magathikite mawatho na mitaratara ya guteithiriria kuitana na murimu uyu gutamba.
So those who turned positive have been isolated. They have been put in their own dorm, complete with where they are being served their meals from, and they are not mixing with those who have not been tested. So the normal teaching and learning has been done away with. So though they are doing their own studies from the area where they have been isolated. Those who have not been tested have also been given their places where they are operating from, their own dorms, their own kitchen.
Uhoro uyu ukite kiumia kimwe thutha wa thukuru ithatu kaunti-ini ya Mombasa kuhingwo kwa ihinda kumana na murimu wa COVID-19 gutamba thukuru-ini ici iria ni thukuru wa secondary wa Tononoka kuria arimu 11 magwatite murimu uyu na gucungirira mwarimu munene wa thukuru uyu akue. Ya keri ni thukuru ya Mama Ngina kuria arimu ana manyitite murimu uyu na thukuru wa gatatu ni wa Star of C kuria onaku arimu ana marwarite. Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Taita Taveta thukuru wa muthingi wa Voi uhingitwo thutha arimu atatu kunyitwo ni murimu uyu na wangi 27 makigwo keheri-ini guko na arutwo 10 a thukuru wa mwana wa Maranda kaunti-ini ya Siaya makirwara murimu na gutwarwo keheri-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.